Welcome. This is the video for file handling in Python, class 12 computer science, part 1. This is part 1. We shall continue file handling after this slide. Objective. Basically, what is the objective of this video? In this PPT, we shall be learning to working with data files through Python programs. Files. What are files? Files in itself is a bunch of bytes stored in some storage device like hard disk, thumb drive. Similarly, we create in files Word, Excel and PowerPoint and save it to the disk. What are data files? Data files are the files that store data pertaining to a specific application for later use. The data files can be stored in two ways. Number one, ASCII file or text file. Number two, binary files. Now, what is the difference between text file and binary file? Here is a comparison between text file and binary file. Text files are store information in ASCII or Unicode characters, and that is coding techniques. Each line of text is terminated with a special character known as EOL, end of line. It is also called delimiter. Some internal translation take place when EOL, the special character, is read or write. Default EOL in Python is new line or carriage return with new line, that is /r/n. Binary file information as it is stored in memory, that is 0 and 1, binary format. The file content is a raw string. There is no delimiter is used to detect EOL as in text file. Also, no translation occurs in binary files because it is already translated in binary format. Hence, binary files are easier to read and write. Binary files are faster than text files. Now, how to open and close a file? First, we learn open a file. Here is the syntax. File object name is equal to open file name, or we can more efficient way open this file. Can open this file. File object is equal to open file name comma mode. Mode, the default mode in Python is read. If we do not provide any file mode, Python will open it in read mode, that is R. There are several types of mode: read mode, write mode, append mode. For example, how we open my file? This is the file object name. It is also known as file handler. Open is the function. Story.txt. Story.txt is a physical file stored in current directory. My file open story.txt, and this is the read mode, or this is known as file object, is also known as handler, file handler. Next, if our files placed in somewhere D drive main, suppose it is named story.data and D drive main, then we can open this file. File mode, file object name, open. Now the path of the file is given as d://main/story.data, and R is the mode. Here // is a special meaning characters, so we put double slash here. Or if you don't want to put double slash, we must put a R before the file name. So the prefix R in front of a string make it raw string. That means there is no special meaning attached to any character. This is a file object. File object are used to read or write data to a file on disk All the functions that we perform on data file are performed through this file object. This is created by us, user defined name file object. Next. Now we learn how to close a file. Very simple. File object name dot close bracket open and close function. Close function breaks the link of file object and the file on the disk. For example, my file dot close. Close is a essential function. When we finish off all job on file, we must use file dot close. Now there are modes of files. First mode R, we have already seen it. R. In binary we can write RB. If we write RB, the file opens in binary mode. File must exist. If it is read mode, file must exist, otherwise Python raise an error. Sorry. Write mode RW, that is W. WB is a binary mode, write only. If the file does not exist, file is created. If file does not exist, file is created. New file is created. If file is exist, path and truncate existing data. The older file removes and newer file is created. A. Append mode. AB is a binary append mode. File is write only, that is open in write mode. If file exists, the data in file retained and new data begin written will be appended to the end. At the end, data will be appended. File exists. If file does not exist, Python will create a new file. Now R plus B or RB plus in binary mode, read and write both. Mode file must exist, otherwise error raised. Both read and writing operation can take place. Write mode R plus B, RB plus, read and write mode, file is created. If does not exist, if file exists, file is truncated, past data is lost. Both reading and writing operation can take. In plus of A plus B or AB plus, read and write both, file is created. If does not exist, if file exists, file existing data retained, new data is appended. Similar as both reading and writing operation can take place. These are the modes: R, RB, W, WB, A, AB, R plus B or RB plus, W plus B or WB plus, A plus B or AB plus. There are assignment. What is the difference between binary file and text file? What is the default mode of file in open function? What is the file mode? How it is useful for file handling? How we can open a file from any location? How we can close a file? Thank you. Thanks. Next continue part of file will coming in next videos.